Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is a King Tutor. It's the first time you're joining us. Thank you for clicking to this. Ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Now, I want to see a question on sequence and series that comprise of the AP and GP. We're going to see two different questions relating to what to this, okay, that have options. If you want to see an introduction video on this to have a thorough understanding, please, I'll advise you watch this video up here before this, and also I'll drop it in the comments description. I'll drop it in the description, okay? So you watch that, okay? Now the question said the 5th and 11th terms of an arithmetic progression AP are 13 and 31 respectively. Find the sum of each first term and the common difference, okay? They say find the sum of each first term and the common difference. So this question is kind of tricky. Now, what they're asking us to find is the sum. Sum means addition of the first term and what? The common difference. It means we are going to find the first term and the common difference and add it together. Okay, so it said the 5th and 11th terms of an AP are 13 and 31 respectively. So this question leads to simultaneous equation. We have done various videos that leads to simultaneous equation. So I will advise you to watch that. Okay, so the question said, recall Tn equals a plus n minus 1d as the formula for the nth term. So now they said the 5th and 11th term of an AP are 13 and 31. So they gave us the statement in order to get the first and the common difference. It was not given. And the first term and the common difference is a necessity to solve any question relating to what AP. Okay, but now they gave us a statement that would help us find it. So they said the 5th and 11th terms of an AP are 13 and 31 respectively. So it means, they said, when n equals 5. So the 5th term, that is term 5, equal a plus our n is 5 minus 1d. They said it's equal to, now they said the 5th term is equal to 13. They said it's equal to 13. So if we solve now, we have a plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times this 4d. So a plus 4d equals 13. I can call this equation 1. Okay. Now another one, it said the 11th term is 31. So said when n equals 11. So we have the 11th term equals a plus our n is 11 minus 1d equals what? 31. So we have a plus 11 minus 1 is what? 10d equal 31. We can call this equation 2. Okay, so we can now solve these two equations, this and this, simultaneously. That's at the same time. So if we do that, now we have a plus 4d equal 13 and a plus 10d equal 31. Now from this now, this equation 1 and this equation 2. Now from this now, we already have the coefficient of a to have the same value. Okay, so we're just going to say subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, so equation 2 from 1, that is equation 1 minus 2. So we'll start from here. A minus a plus 4d minus 10d equal 13 minus 31. Okay, a minus a is 0, so it cancels itself. Now we have 4d minus 10d will give us minus 6d. We have 13 minus 31 is giving us minus 18. Okay, now I want to get d. Now how do we get d, which is a common difference? With the variable side by the coefficient of d, which is minus 6. So if this cancels this, my d is now, this cancels this, 18 divided by 6 is what? 3. Okay, that is 3. Now that is a common difference. Now say therefore the common difference is equals to what? 3. Okay, if the common difference is 3, now how do we get the first term? Because it said find the sum of the first term and the common difference. So we've gotten the common difference, remaining the first term. So we are going to substitute the d into any of the equation to get the first term, which is a. Okay, so if we do that, Now we say substitute d equal 3 into equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus 4d equal 13. So we have a plus 4, our d is what? 3 equal 13. So we have a plus 4 times 3 is what? 12 equal 13. And to make a the subject, this will have to go to the other side. So we have a equal 13 minus 12. So our a is 13 minus 12 is what? 1. Okay. So we said, therefore, the sum of the first term and the common difference is equal to, now what's the first term? The first term here is 1. That's 1 plus, while the common difference is 3. So 1 plus 3 equals what? 4. So we're going to check here what is the option. A is 4, B is 8, C is 16, D 31, and E 44. So our answer is A, which is what? 4. Okay, so that's how to solve. Now let's see the next question. Okay, now let's see the second question. The question said, the sixth term of a geometric progression, GP, is 486. Find the common ratio if its first term is 2. They say the sixth term of a geometric progression is 486. Find the common ratio if its sixth term is what? 2. So we have solution. Now recall GP has its own different formula. We've done a question on that. I'll drop it in the comment section, and I'll also drop it up here so that you watch it. Okay, so recall the formula for GP is Cn equals A times R raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, where is first term? R is a common ratio, n is the number of term. So they said the sixth term. So said when n equals 6. Okay, so they say the sixth term is 486. Now find the common ratio if its first term is 2. So we're going to have term 6 is now equal to our A. Let's say the first term is 2. Now our A is also 2. So A is 2 times our R is not given, our N. So we have N as 6. 6 minus 1. Now they said this sixth term is what? 486. So we have 486 here. Okay, so we now have 2 times R raised to power 6 minus 1 will give us what? 5 equal 486. Okay, now 2 times R raised to power 5 will give us 2R raised to power 5 equal 486. Now our aim is to get R. That's what they ask us, which is a common ratio. Now how do we get R? We have to what? Ensure we make R to be on its own. Okay, so we eliminate the coefficient of R, which is 2. So if we divide both sides by 2, now 2 we cancel 2, so we have R raised to power 5 equal, now 486 divided by 2 will give us, this is 243. Okay, that's 243. Now to get this 243 will express it in terms of 5. Okay, so if this is R raised to the power 5 equal, now 243 can also be given as 3 raised to the power of 5. Okay, because 3 raised to the power of 5, look at it here, it is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, now 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times this 3 here is 27. 27 times this 3 here will give us 81. 81 times this 3 here will give us 243. Okay, so in this now we now have R raised to the power 5 equals R raised to the power 5 equal 3 raised to the power 5. So we can cancel this. Our R, which is a common ratio, is equal to 3. So check here, our answer here is D, which is the common ratio. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Ensure you like, comment, share, subscribe this video. Okay, and comment in the comment section other topics you want me to treat. Okay, now before we go, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, we're on TikTok, we're on Instagram at the King's Store. Please ensure you follow us on those platforms. Okay, and identify yourself there. In the next video, I'll give a shout out to anyone that comments. Okay, now I want to recommend a video for you. You see this video right here. Now watch it. It will help your insight in terms of mathematics and this topic. This video, watch it. Come on, let's go.